956 patients are admitted across the state of Goa, including private hospitals. Majority of them are at Goa Medical College and South Goa District Hospital. Now for the clinical aspect, Dr. Bandekar would give some briefing about how and when the patients should start their treatment protocol. So,
हांव कोंकणीन उलोवंक सोदतां कित्याक आमच्या लोकांक कळपाक आय स्पीक इन कोंकणी सो दॅट पीपल कॅन अंडरस्टँड. म्हजी एक सगळ्यांक विनंती आसा की हो जो सेकंड वेव आयला हो फर्स्ट वेवाकय खूब प्रमाणे डिफरंट आसा, म्हणजे वेगळोच आसा. हातून इन्फेक्टिविटी चड आसा आनी हातून आमी पळयला की ताची सिवियरिटी चड आसा. म्हणून म्हाका लोकांक एक सांगूंक जाय की तुमी कॅज्युअल घेवं नाका हो वेव. यू शूड नॉट टेक व्हेरी कॅज्युअल एटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स युअर सोशल बिहेवियर. यू मस्ट हॅव प्रॉपर कोविड एप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर. ही माझी फर्स्ट कळकळीची विनंती आसा तुमकां. हातून कितें जाता, ह्या वेवान जर तुमकां चुकून सुद्दां जोर आयलो जाल्यार तुमी फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू फॉलो द प्रोटोकॉल विच इज गिवन इन होम आयसोलेशन किट. तुम्ही एंटीबायोटीक घ्या. तुम्ही जर डायबिटीक आसा आनी तुमकां जर जोर आयलो, तुमचो टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह आसा, ते ओरल हायपोग्लायसेमिक घेनाका. तुम्ही इन्सुलिन स्टार्ट करा. कित्याक सांग, ओरल हायपोग्लायसेमिकान कंट्रोल ऑफ डायबिटीज बरी आसना आनी हातूनच आमी खुबशे लोकांक पळयला की तांची निमोनिया वाडटा. आमकां जितले आज पर्यंत डेथ मेळ्ळा ते सगळे लेट प्रेझेंटेशन. म्हणजे कितें, ह्या लोकांनी 4-5 दीस सुद्दां डिले केल्यार तांचो सीटी सिवियरिटी स्कोर आसता तो खूब वाडटा. आनी हाका लागून खंयचे आयसीयू म्हणा जाल्यार तुम्ही टन्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन सुद्दां पंप केले, तो लंग cannot take this kind of a treatment. The lung is already damaged. So please understand, before you get into this situation, you follow proper protocols of treatment. आणि हो प्रोटोकॉल आम्ही दिल्लो आसा, प्रत्येक प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटरान प्रिंटेड आसा. आणि जर तांकां जाय तांच्यांनी आमच्या कडल्यान हेल्पलायना वयल्यान तो प्रोटोकॉल घेवंक जाता. 104 इज अवर हेल्पलायन. आणि इतलेच न्ही, they can directly call doctors of health services, Dr. Disa, Dr. myself, we will help you on this issue. So ही एक गोष्ट झाली. दुसरी गजाल असा की इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ वॅक्सिनेशन कितें, की जे आमी खुबशे लोक म्हणटा आमी दोनूय डोस घेतले तरी आमकां कोविड जाले. हरकत ना, हो वॅक्सीन 100% सेक्युरिटी दिना. म्हणजे आसा protection about 65 to 70% or 80%. पण एक आम्ही पळयला ह्या वेवान, ज्या लोकांनी वॅक्सिन घेतला त्यांका सिवियरिटी ऑफ सिम्पटम्स कमी आसा, तांची निमोनिया कमी आसा. सो तुमकां थ्रेट टू लायफ कमी आसा. सो ह्या अर्थान तुम्ही तो वॅक्सिन घेवंक जाय एज अ इम्युनिटी बुस्टर. प्लस इट गिव्स यू अ गुड काइंड ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स टू द व्हायरस. ही लक्षात घेवपाची गोष्ट आसा. आणि हांव परत सांगता की तुम्ही मातशी केअर घेयात. हो व्हायरस इतलो सादो ना. हो व्हायरसाचे आमी सिक्वेन्सिंग चालू करतले, पण ताच्या पयली आतापर्यंत जे आमी केसीस पळयल्या आणि डेथ्स पळयल्या, हातूंतल्यान इतलेच दिसता की ही वेव मातशी पॉवरफुल आसा. आणि तुम्ही सोशल बिहेवियर, मास्क तरी घाला. देर इज नथिंग बेटर दॅन प्रॉपर बिहेवियर. कितले लॉकडाऊन सुद्धा केले आम्ही, आणि जर तुम्ही बिहेवियर इज नॉट प्रॉपर, then that lockdown also cannot help you. So you see everywhere now government is trying its best. The honorable chief minister is trying his best to control. आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आसा दीस रात काम करता, आमचे हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी आहा दीस रात काम करता की आमची गोयची जनता सेफ आसची म्हणून. तुमच्या साइडीन पासून some moral responsibilities also are there from every citizen, and it is my humble request to follow these procedures, follow this COVID appropriate behavior, at least by wearing mask and keeping social distancing. Thank you.
आम्ही होम आयसोलेशन
पेशंट दवरता.
होम आयसोलेशन जायते आमकां एप्लाय करता आमचे हेल्थ ऑफिसर जे आसा प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर अर्बन हेल्थ सेंटर ते तांकां होम आयसोलेशनाचे करता आनी तांकां फोन कॉल्स करता कमीच ते कमी 2 ते 3 फावट आमी फोन कॉल करपाक आमी आमचे प्रयत्न चल्ला आनी सद्या आमचे 5093 पेशंट्स अशे पॉझिटिव्ह अशे आमचे होम आयसोलेशनाचेर आसा सो तांकां आमी ते पावचेस दिता होम आयसोलेशन पावचेस दिता आनी होम आयसोलेशन या सो इतले आमी केल्ले आसा हे पयर पासून आनी आयज पासून आमी हे 2 दिसांक आतां वाडयल्ले आसा आनी ते आमचे टोटल आतां आमचे 9107 जाल्ले आसा 17 तारखेर पासून आमचे 5900 आशिल्ली आनी ह्या वर आयज 22 तारखेर पासून 9107 फिगर आमचो होम आयसोलेशनाचे पावला टोटल 9107 होम आयसोलेशन फिगर असो पावला आनी तशेंच आमचे वॅक्सिनेशन प्रोग्राम आमचे सगळे चालू आसा आनी आयज पासून आमी टोटल फर्स्ट डोज 2,11,906 लोकांनी 45 प्लस तशेंच ताजे हेल्थ केअर वर्कर्स आनी तशेंच फ्रंटलायन वर्कर्स धरून 2,11,906 लोकांनी फर्स्ट डोज घेतलेलो आसा आनी सेकंड डोज 54,729 लोकांनी सेकंड डोज घेतलेलो आसा म्हणजे टोटल 2,66,635 2,66,635 लोकांनी हे वॅक्सिनेशन घेतलेले आसा आयज वॅक्सिनेशन म्हणल्यार 8,737 लोकांनी वॅक्सिन घेतलेलं आयच्या दिसा
सर बेड त्याच्यानंतर प्लाझ्मा आणि इंजेक्शन ते स्टॉक किती आहे ते सांगणार होतं तुम्ही कुठल्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये किती बेड भरलेले आहेत किती खाली आहे
आमच्या बेडाचे सर सांगतले पण प्लाझ्माचे कशें आसा न्ही आतां आमकां प्लाझ्माचो रिस्पॉन्स बरो आसा रायट नाव आय थिंक वी हॅव 30 प्लाझ्माज इन दी ब्लड बँक I know it is the number is small, but we are sure कि आता आमच्याकडे आम्ही the way we blood bank is involved now, we are also involving SOTA office for people to convince to donate plasma. So very soon we will have enough stock. आता 30 असा आमच्याकडे.
But these are the subset at present.
Huh?
Because it has to be matched with the certain patient.
No, these means they are of all groups. All groups.
What is the requirement? What?
सध्याचो रिक्वायरमेंट पर डे आमकां अबाउट 7 to 8 लागता
Per day.
हय
In
आणि
the government hospital.
हय गव्हर्नमेंट
And you also give to private.
प्रायव्हेटाकूय आमी दिता तेंच्यांनी जर रिक्वेस्ट धाडलो बिकॉज फायनली इट इज फॉर दी पेशंट ऑफ गोवा न्ही सो वेदर ही इज इन प्रायव्हेट ऑर गव्हर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल वी गिव देम इवन रेमडेसिवीर in private as per the government policy, giving them on loan basis so that they will return it back.
Sir, yes, today also I asked this question. Now you've started mobile testing van in GMC. So how many tests are carried out in the mobile testing van and how much has your testing burden come down?
This mobile testing van has a capacity of 300 tests for 6 hours, per 6 to 8 hours. Okay? So in a day, it works 24/7. So in a day, you can clear almost 900 tests of backlog. So today we are sending this van also tomorrow to Asilo because there is a lot of backlog in Asilo.
Right. Sir, the urban health center in Panjim is today dealing with tests that took place on 19th of April. So this delay in testing, of course, because the volume is high, but you also, the dean also said that a lot of critical cases have been late presentations. But now if somebody gets their test report after 4 days, how can they start treatment?
Our message to the people is suppose by chance that antigen testing everybody can do. And I will tell you, if person is symptomatic and he gets antigen test even negative, he should treat himself as a COVID case. The time has come. to consider them as COVID. म्हणजे हांव कितें म्हणटा, you don't take full-fledged treatment like remdesivir. You take what is been there for preventive measures. Like earlier we were giving HCQS, hydroxychloroquine. Now we are giving favipiravir, and we are also giving we are also giving that doxycycline. So this is there in home isolation kit. This is also available in the pharmacy.
But sir, if somebody does not have a positive report, will they get a home isolation kit?
No, this protocol is different from home isolation kit. This protocol is also available for everybody on DHS call center, our call center. Okay. Now I see doxycycline. Even if you take for 5 days, nothing goes wrong. But what it will give you benefit is it will prevent your severity. What we are trying to say is the time has come, because see, now the infectivity is almost 34%. That means every third case is coming positive. So considering these statistics, and we being very intelligent, we should understand that, see, everybody is coming positive, every third case is coming positive, and if you have slightest symptoms of fever and cough, why you're waiting for 4 or 5 days? My humble request is you start this doxy, you start this ivermectin, and then you will get your protection from cytokine storm, you will get protection from severity. This is the only solution left for us now. And to be very, very frank with you and honest, we are going to increase our testing. We are already booked machines for daily testing of almost 4,000 to 5,000. This backlog will also come down soon.
Right. So then how much longer will it take for testing to become 24 hours, to get reports in 24 hours?
Now that we have one vehicle of mobile, the government has taken a decision yesterday. Honorable Chief Minister and Health Minister and our CS has said that we should increase this mobile van. Our respected Health Secretary has taken steps to get more mobile vans. So before these machines are installed, we are getting also mobile vans to do more testing.
Right.
How many such mobile vans will be?
Right now we have one
One.
with 2 machines. We want to bring 2 more. No, sir?
We've asked for 3, and since the vendor himself is overburdened with requests from everyone, he has assured that at least 2 will be delivered before 30th of April. Will be
30th?
delivered and made functional.
Before April.
30th, before end of
30th April. In addition, today a decision has been taken to outsource the samples already collected for the results to a private lab which has a capacity of giving us the results, at least 5,000 samples within 36 hours. So Thyrocare is that lab, and we have already sent samples from our district, North District Hospital, Asilo, so that those pending reports are expedited. Again, as conveyed by Dr. Bandekar, at least symptomatic persons should start their treatment protocol without waiting for the reports to come and then actually, starting their treatment protocol.
Sir,
Every time we have the pendency of samples, we have given this to Thyrocare, as sir said. They'll be collecting the samples from all the laboratories, right from MAPSA, Margaon Laboratory, Chikalim Laboratory, Ponda Laboratory, and they will be taking and they will be doing the test in their ICMR recognized laboratory, and they will give us a report within 36 hours. So this measure government has taken to cut down the pendency as early as possible.
Sir, coming to the vaccine, is it in TB hospital in Margaon which is being closed because of code of conduct?
No.
Is the notice has been served on that?
This is our routine vaccination program. We are not doing any special camps or special programs. This is our routine vaccination program which is going on in our hospitals and health centers like any other health services that we deliver. So it is a routine that is going on in TB, and for that the Election Commission also has granted permission to us.
But the notice is already put there. Today there was no vaccine.
No. There was a little misunderstanding then. It started a little late, but by 11 o'clock the vaccination started.
So the private labs that are already, the existing private labs in Goa, are they also sharing the government's burden, the testing burden? Are there any meetings or discussions with them to take on maybe more? patients, so that those who can afford to pay can at least go to the private one, so that the burden is reduced?
So those who can afford to pay, they can always go, and the maximum rates have already been prescribed by the government. The rates are capped for the different category of tests, be it rapid antigen or RT-PCR or TrueNAT. What the government has taken a call today is to outsource some of its pending samples to the labs who have the capacity to give us the results within that much time limit, so that dependency does not remain with us. That is the only decision that has been taken.
Where details? Hyrocare, what is the name you said?
Thyrocare labs.
Thyrocare Labs.
Yeah.
It is from where?
They have the head office near the church, Panjim Church.
Is the government taking any steps to micro-containment zones? Have you identified any areas which you would like to notify as micro-containment zones in the next few days?
So the micro-containment zones notification is done by the respective district collectors. I am told they are already working on it, and orders would be issued. It is basically done on analysis of the clustering of cases within a particular area. So that is done by the respective district collectors.
The status of bed availability in private as well as in government.
I have a corrective status. The COVID bed capacity as of today is 1060. 956 patients are admitted. The bulk is in the government setup. GMC has 310, South Goa 320, PSI Madgaon has 150, and Sub-District Hospital Ponda has 63 capacity right now. Rest is being catered to by private like Manipal, Healthway, SMRC, Victor. They have bed capacity ranging from 15 to 55.
Okay, more private hospitals are empaneled. Private hospital other than these 4 private hospitals.
No, there are more private hospitals. They have 10, 12. These were the big ones that I have told. We have a new private hospital that has just started, Imperial Hospital, Madgaon. It has a capacity of 11. So they are in the process of scaling up, recruiting manpower and people. COVID care centers, our capacity across the state currently is 455, and patients that are admitted to these centers are 165.
Okay. GMC is complete full. COVID beds.
GMC is regularly increasing its COVID bed capacity, depending on the need basis.
So can you repeat the breakup, please? There is some noise in the background.
Breakup is for hospital bed capacity, 1060 beds,
Yeah.
956 patients admitted as of now. For COVID care centers, capacity is 455, patients admitted is 165. We have 3 COVID care centers, SP Mukherjee Stadium, Patorda and PHC Shivura.
So in the breakup, you said ESI is 150 and the other hospitals?
Sub-District Hospital Ponda 63, South Goa District Hospital is 320 and Goa Medical College is 310 as of now.
And ESI 150.
50. 150.
So from the 1st of May, vaccination will be open to everyone from 18 to 45, and the CM has just tweeted that it will be free of cost in Goa. But is there a plan of, because now the volumes will increase for vaccination, is there a plan in place about how we'll go about this?
So currently only one supplier, one vendor, namely Serum Institute, which is giving the Covishield vaccine, has declared its price, and the declared price for state governments is 400 per dose. So today, in principle approval has been given for 5 lakh doses to be procured in the first instance, and the office of DHS has contacted Serum Institute and has given them an order for 5 lakh doses to be supplied to Goa at the earliest. They have established contact and we are awaiting their response with regard to the delivery schedule. That is yet to be confirmed by them, but it should be confirmed very soon.
Right. So but does that mean you will have to add more centers for vaccination?
It depends on how many doses we are receiving, on the doses delivery schedule, and what is the expected demand. Currently, our vaccination centers are equipped to deal with the caseload that we are expecting in case 18 to 45 also, whenever they come. So we are not yet anticipating an increase in the vaccination center numbers. We have sufficient centers to cater to everyone.
Sir, and what is the caseload you are expecting?
18 to 45 category, it is estimated that Goa has about 6.5 lakh persons who fall in the 18 to 45 category. We would wish that everybody is vaccinated as soon as possible. It depends on the turnout. As you know, vaccination is voluntary program. It cannot be made compulsory. But as Dean GMC and Dr. Disa have correctly told, vaccination is probably the best shield against COVID. It does not guarantee you against COVID infection, but it is proving to be extremely effective in combating the severity of the disease. That is what both doctors have told us. So far, state of Goa, to the as per our official data, and Dr. Bhandekar can confirm, not a single COVID death has happened of a patient who was vaccinated, who had even vaccinated first dose. Dr. Bhandekar, आप बता सकते हैं.
So this is exactly what we are trying to convey. You know, even though the vaccination is not compulsory, people should come forward and they should take vaccination. Now, as you said, the demand we can definitely fulfill the demand of the public. We can do more vaccinations, we can stay 24/7 and give vaccine. But this is the only thing which will save our population or our people who are getting COVID infection in this second wave. So through your media, I want to convey to everybody, you decide and take it on your own. Don't listen to the social media videos or some false messages from the social media that vaccine is like this, vaccine. Many people are saying in spite of vaccine you get infection. It is bound to happen. But the severity, as rightly said by our Secretary Health, the severity is less. And we have experienced it in this second wave.
So how many have got this which is vaccination? Any record is there?
Yeah, total vaccinated.
No, those who have taken vaccination and have been affected.
No, that also is very small number. It is not a big number. Maybe hardly about 35, 36 healthcare workers have got it. And because they are re-exposed, no? They are working in the COVID areas only. And other than them, I don't think anybody has got if they are vaccinated.
So, and from May 1st onwards, the vaccination for 18 and above will be free of cost in government hospitals or private also?
See, as per the protocol, the vaccination strategy laid out by Government of India with effect from 1st May, every manufacturer has to reserve and supply 50% of his production to Government of India, which will then be supplied to the state governments as per their allocated quota, which has been happening even now, for vaccinating 45 plus and all healthcare and frontline workers free of cost in the government setup. The mechanism of providing vaccines to the private sector and then recovering 150 rupees from them for the government and allowing them to charge 100 rupees extra will cease from 1st of May. The rest 50% production that the manufacturers will do, out of that they will supply some to state governments and some to the private sector. And they have to declare a transparent pre-declared price before 1st of May, which for Covishield has been done by its respective manufacturer. 400 is the rate for state governments to procure and 600 for the private sector. The state government of Goa has taken a decision that vaccination through its centers of even 18 plus population would be free of cost. It would cost the state government 400 rupees from Serum Institute. For Covaxin, no price has been declared yet. We are still awaiting the details. And so far, Goa has only vaccinated or administered the Covishield dose because that is what we've received from Government of India. So this is the detail. Private institutes with effect from 1st of May would not get any vaccines from the state government or Government of India as per the laid out strategy so far.
Sir, from 1st of May, this vaccination for above 18 will be start.
Yes.
Now at present there are so many vaccination centers are there. But after this 1st May, there will be crowd over in the center.
If an increase in the number of centers is merited, it will be done. There is no issue about that. Even an extension in timings would be made. It all depends on the turnout.
At present, we have got 37 centers in the government sector and 25 centers in the private sector.
सर ऐसी क्या वजह है जो टूरिस्ट लोग आते हैं, भले वो कम आए जास्ती आए, लेकिन उनके आने के जगह पे यानी रेलवे स्टेशन, बस स्टेशन से एयरपोर्ट पे टेस्टिंग की फैसिलिटी उपलब्ध नहीं की जा रही है? क्या वजह है ऐसी? वो गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर क्या ऐसा दबाव है जो नहीं करना चाहती है?
आप बताना चाहेंगे? See, there is no pressure on the government. ये ऐसा कोई दबाव नहीं है. The only issue is logistical constraints. Testing cannot happen anywhere. It has a approved ICMR lab settings में ही टेस्टिंग हो सकती है. तो it is not कि एक मशीन हम कहीं ले गए और वहाँ पे हमने टेस्टिंग स्टार्ट कर दी. Even जो हमारी मोबाइल टेस्टिंग वैन that has been deployed at GMC so that the pendency is cleared as soon as possible, it is a very specialized set of equipment and specialized set of fabrication से वो अलग. It is like a lab on wheels. तो टेस्टिंग फैसिलिटी को हम कहीं पे भी जाकर अगर हम एक कमरा मिल गया और हम लगा देंगे, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. उसके कुछ साइंटिफिक मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं प्रिस्क्राइब बाय ICMR, उसकी सर्टिफिकेशन होती है, उसके बाद वो लैब स्टार्ट फंक्शनिंग.
लेकिन सर्टिफिकेट तो मांगा जा सकता है ना आर्टिफिशियल का.
कलेक्शन तो इज हैपनिंग. कलेक्शन सेंटर्स आर फार मोर देन व्हाट आर लैब्स आर.
Can ask for negative certificate is.
जो टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं ना, उनसे सर्टिफिकेट तो मांगा जा सकता है कि आर्टिफिशियल में आप नेगेटिव है करते हैं. वो भी
That
नहीं
is
हो
a
रहा
call
है.
for the that matter is with the government, and अभी तक the decision is what it is. You all know that.
What is the status of the oxygen?
Oxygen supply currently is adequate thanks to the efforts of Honorable CM and HM. Government of India has yesterday included Goa in its revised allocation plan for a certain level of daily oxygen supply from the plant nearest to Goa that manufactures liquid medical oxygen. The plant is situated at Kolhapur.
So at present there is sufficient oxygen.
At present the oxygen requirement is adequate.
Sir,
We have adequate supply.
सर, जिस तरह से महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने कहा है कि गोवा इज अ सेंसिटिव डेस्टिनेशन, तो इस दावे को खारिज करने के लिए गोवा सरकार से कुछ प्रयास हो रहे हैं? जिस तरह से महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने बयान किया है कि ये गोवा इज अ वेरी सेंसिटिव. एक्चुअली आप देखा जाए तो परिस्थिति उल्टी है. जहाँ तक कि महाराष्ट्र से जो टूरिस्ट आते हैं उसके कारण गोवा में इस तरह की
I will not be able to respond to speculative questions. I am not aware of any such official communication from Maharashtra.
नहीं, लेकिन गोवा सरकार से कुछ तैयारी तो हुई है कि बाबा आपने जो दावा किया है वो गलत है, आप ऐसे
मैं
कैसे?
आपको वही कह रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसे दावों की कोई जानकारी नहीं है अधिकृत तौर पर, इसलिए I will not be able to respond to that. Last question we can take.
So it's doctors in GMC have demanded accommodation and they are saying that they cannot share a room because one doctor is contracted and it will pass on to the other. So whether accommodation is provided by health department.
I don't think that demand has come officially, but if such demand comes, I think the government will take a call. पहले भी ऐसा कॉल लिया गया है. Right? Thank you so much.